Hello, everybody. I hope you are doing really well, and welcome to my aviation and personal YouTube channel, video number one. Welcome to my first episode ever of my first YouTube video ever. I am so thrilled to be here, and I am glad that you are here with me. You're probably here because you are involved in aviation, or you are looking for information on how to get your AME license or your AMP license, or you are here because you are my mom. And you know about this channel because I told you about it last week. And you are my friend again. Or you just come across this video and you are trying it out and you want to know what it's all about. Whoever you are, whatever you're at, and however you have come here, welcome. And I appreciate the fact that you are allowing me to share my words with you, your precious time. And I want to share with you why I have decided to start a YouTube channel and who this channel is for and what to expect. So the reasons I decided to start a YouTube channel are different. Among most important are improve the way I am starting right now to get my aircraft maintenance engineer license and share info, help, and add real value to people who want to get an aviation license. So some of my friends have asked me about it, and finally I can explain it one time and send them to my videos. But not just them, but everyone is struggling to convalidate or get aviation licenses from other countries in USA or Canada. And last but not least, another reason is to improve my English communication skills and receive some feedback. Why not? I don't want to talk too much about me. And back to the topic of the YouTube channel. I would say it is because I usually consume content and information in YouTube in a video or audio format or in a podcast. I love it. And I come to realize that not everyone has time to study the large amount of information of the aviation manuals or books. For example, I never read all the aviation material and books that I have got, to be honest. And the main way I consume content from a couple of years ago, and I consider myself a constant learner and an eternal student. And the main way I consume content is through videos or podcasts. The reason why that happens is because I want to do things, but I have to do them on the go because I am really busy, but I do have some driving time. Actually, in my personal case, 2 hours daily, and I do clean out my house every now and then, and or fold the laundry. Readily, I fold the laundry. My wife does. I have to be honest about that. But when I do, I listen to the podcast or watch a video while doing it because it's the only way I get myself to do stuff at home and work out. When I watch videos or listen then, I actually get to do the things that I want to do. But it's super intriguing and I have really changed my life because of that. And I felt that there is an amazing link between the information that you can learn and the video and audio format. And I wanted to create that connection as well. Another reason why I wanted to start this channel is because I felt this platform allows me to start a deeper conversation, and I love learning YouTube and it has served me immensely, and I'm going to continue creating and learning from various here or there, whatever you want to call it. But here, there is something more laid back, some more personal than just learning from YouTube videos. but helping other people, and I want to have both worlds. So I'm gonna keep on creating YouTube videos, and this channel is for you. If you're an aviation enthusiast, mechanic, pilot, or if you are just interested in the aviation world and you're looking to improve your knowledge, it's a course for you if you want to learn more, because I am definitely going to share some stuff about aviation, things that I have learned from my own journey. If you don't know me but are interested, I will do a video about my history and how I come to do what I am doing right now. Briefly, I am an aeronautical engineer, an aircraft maintenance engineer, and pilot with licenses from Colombia and USA. As a non-native citizen, I want to coach people how to be confident in getting their licenses here. And after 14 years in the industry, so I am sure that I have some things that I can share with you that will help you on your journey. And even if you're not a foreign student, but you're getting your license, your AME license, whether native or non-native, and you're very passionate about aviation, I'm sure you can find a lot of stuff here as well, because I'm gonna dismantle, dissect, and dive deep into understanding the aviation examinations and the process to get your certifications. This channel is for you as well if you are an aviation learner. Do you want to improve your skills at learning, or you want to learn more strategies or feel more confident getting new knowledge? So I'm going to share my strategies and tips with you in these videos. You know, even as a learner, I think it's really interesting to learn about all the learning strategies and mindsets, so you know what to expect or what to demand as a learner, or as you are creating your own personal training. So I think it's valuable for everyone, and if you're wondering what more you're gonna find in this channel, then I guess we'll find that out together, cause I'm just starting out. But I do have a plan, so I'm gonna share with you my plan. But I have not doubt knowing myself, cause I always like to change startups. And that's gonna change, and I'm going to add things. And if I add things to the original plans, is because I felt people need it, or because I have a strong impulse to do something, and I always try to follow my intuition and impulses. So I am assuming you are going to like it, and if not, then let me know, because I want to have an open discussion here, and I would always love to hear what you have to say or what you think about the content. And for that, I'll try to be super available to answer questions. Always feel free to DM me and send me a DM on answergroup@hotmail.com, and I'll be there. I'm going to share new content, whether it's a conversation about a different topic related to mindset or aviation, maintenance knowledge, examinations, or probably airplanes. Who knows? It could be just like a chart, how to convert binary numbers, or a video, or a regulation statement, or some aviation fact. So I have a lot of fun and not so fun stuff waiting for you. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe whether you are watching. Either way, stay tuned so you will hear everything I have to share, okay? That's it. I think I better stop talking and let you start listening to the other educational videos here in this channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I wish Bob got locked as an exciting journey together. Have a beautiful, beautiful rest of the day, and I'll catch you next time in the next video. Bye for now.